Hello! Today we will learn how to configure a title of a form. So, what is a title? To show you this, I need to show you a document in the CRM application. From recently updated documents, I can see, for example, a note from the meeting which was done by a salesperson. So, the title, it's that section in the top, so it's very important that the title actually tells us what we see, what kind of document it is. And it should be also seen on the mobile. So if I open the document on my mobile, straight away I want to know what it is. So the title needs to be configured, and to do it I'll maybe make it from scratch. So I will go to this lunchtime application I've used in another tutorials when we talked about creating a form, so you can check it out. And in here we have a form of order, and the form of order has the title which is not yet designed. But maybe first of all I'll show you how to add the title, because every time you open a new form, the title is automatically set in here. So let me delete it. And now if I go into my attributes, in the system attributes on the bottom, I will see a title. So I'll just add it now. What else I would like to see is this little beautiful icon you can see in another CRM form. So the icon is in the basic attributes, and again I can add it in here. Now, as you can see, there is a top group containing now all these elements. Right, let's close this one. Look, we have all this group containing now 3 elements, and in settings in here it's set in columns, and you can see that we have an icon and we have a title and we have the whole button panel. So what I want to show you is that there is a good idea to actually have another group in here. So let me add a group, and inside of this group I want to have an icon and the title. Now the group itself, let's hide and have it in columns. Now in here, icon and a title is now 50-50. However, you could see on this CRM document that the title was pretty small. So it's good to design it from the beginning. So let's say that I go into group. Let's say that this icon will be set in pixels, and the title will be automatically adjusting to the size of the screen. So this one we have 60 pixels and the title. Now the other group, so I need to go to the top group, and now we have it 50-50. But again, I would rather see it automatically adjusting. You can see now it's changed because there is many buttons in this group, so the system spread them for the whole screen, and the other group is now automatically adjusting to those. So this would be like the basic setting of the groups in here. Now each of this title and icon has to be set again. Now to set the title, we go inside and we go into configuration in here, and we have to set it as a dynamic value. So what we want to see in here is probably a name of the document. So I guess this order title would be a good name to see it. So I'll just use this mentioning system we have, and I will mention the field of order title. So in this way, in here as a title, we will see the name we have entered in here as an order title. So let's save again and let's set up an icon. Now an icon, we have settings like what kind of icon we want to see. As you can see by showing all this, we have quite a lot to choose, but also you can use the names. So if I write here, for example, a cart, as this is an order for lunchtime, so maybe a shopping cart would be a good icon. Now also we can set a color of it. Default color would be a black one, but we have some system colors already in here. For example, primary color would be this pink, success would be green one, and if I keep it default would be black, but also I can set it completely as I want, for example red from the palette. So in here let's keep it default, and as a size again I can use it as a double or triple, or I could go into pixels and set up an exactly amount in pixels, but in this case let's maybe keep it double. If I close it now and save, we can also, as you can see, for this particular icon is not 60 pixels, good, maybe 80 pixels. Yeah, this is now better looking, and we do save. And once we design the title and the icon, we can now see how it is looking. So again, I will go to order and create a new document. At the moment you can see it shows here order. However, if I make a new document, let's say marketing lunch at 1, and I'll start adding some other details and save, then you can see that the title now has changed to the marketing lunch at 1 p.m. What's important also to tell you that you can check it on other tutorials we have about conditional formatting, because the title, especially the icon, could be formatted. So if I go into, maybe I leave the back office and I go into lists in here, dashboards, probably I'll show you this CRM application again. So again, you can go, for example, in here. So this opportunities icon can change depending on the different factors. So you can see it in another tutorial, but for this one, how to create a title, this would be it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.